How to use credit balance in Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use credit balance in Temu. For that, open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, Temu credits are shopping credits that can be used to pay for orders on the Temu app. There are multiple ways that you can receive Temu credit. The first way is rewards for participating in the activities and promotional events. Another way is the credits as part of the late delivery policy. Another way is the refund payments when you choose Temu Credit to receive your refund within 3 minutes. Now, once you have enough credits, you can use them to purchase your items. Now, what you want to do is explore the website and add the items that you want to purchase in your cart. Then tap on the cart icon. Now tap on the checkout option. Here, make sure to enter your address. Then select your payment method. Below, you will have a credit option. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you want to enter the amount of credit that you want to use. Then tap on the apply option. Now tap on the submit order option. And by doing so, you will be able to use your credit balance. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.